Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to restrict somebody from messaging you on the Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to restrict somebody on the Messenger app, let's open up our Messenger app first. After opening your Messenger app, you will be required to tap and hold the chat box of the person of whom you want to restrict. And for me, it will be the first one. Let's tap and hold on this. And after that, and after tapping and holding or a few moments, you can see all these options appear. And on the bottom of the option, just above the block, you can see the restrict option available over here. Tap on restrict, and again tap on restrict your friend, and your friend will be, or the person you restricted will not be able to send you messages, or will be restricted from sending you messages on Messenger app. And there guys, this is how you restrict someone on Facebook Messenger app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.